I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
A mini metal Rubik's Cube? No, not at all. Instead, lots of little magnets you can just fidget with. Normally you see these things come as balls like this, but you have read my name, right? And this is 27 of them, my favourite number to just play with. But of course, there's loads more. So the first thing to do is to put them into a big kind of like line, either a square or whatever. And then I want to divide that by 3. And then fold that in half, so we have 6 across. So that I can then fold that up. And there you go, that's 216. See you next time. Follow for fidgets.
Tradeo esta chancla. A la de una, a la de dos. ¿Qué ofreces?
Por tu chancla cochina te ofrezco estos 2 spinners.
No, yo quiero esas bolitas de ahí.
No, pero es que estas no las cambio.
Pero yo las quiero.
No, pues sácate a la verga.
Qué pendeja.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies higher and higher.